What is up, YouTube? So today I want to unbox OnePlus 12, which is OnePlus latest high-end flagship smartphone, and it comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of memory. So let's just open it up here. As you can see over here on the side, OnePlus 12, and as you can see there on the back, 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of ROM. And what more? One more thing that's interesting to know is that they also have a 16 gigabyte RAM edition, and I also think that they might have even a 24 gigabyte RAM edition. So I'm just gonna open it up here. And it's the same box as the OnePlus 10T Pro. Let's see what we find in here. So there we go. There we have the phone. Oh my god, that's a big camera bump. Compared to my OnePlus 10T, I mean, this is massive. What more do I have in here? And you still get a charging port, charging cable, and charging adapter, which is very nice. I think this phone also comes with 100 watt fast charging. Let's open this one up here. And this phone comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 edition. It has a very nice weight to it. Look at that. That looks amazing, actually. Okay, let's I'm just gonna power it on. And I think it comes with Android 14 as well. There we go. It's gonna do a quick little setup here. And I'm just gonna go with next. I'm gonna skip this. I'm gonna go with accept. I'm gonna go with skip. Navigations, I'm gonna use buttons. Done. And it comes with Oxygen OS as well. There we go. So yeah, I mean, just a quick little unboxing here. I'll probably do more videos like benchmark tests and stuff like that. But yeah, have an awesome day.